Setup allows you to configure the basic settings on your Samsung Smart TV. This function can be used to reset the settings in your TV or turn Store Demo Mode off. In order to run Setup, your Samsung TV's source must be on the TV input. To begin, change the source to TV. Now on your Samsung TV remote, press the menu button. Then scroll and select System. Now choose Setup. The Setup welcome screen will appear. Choose Start to begin. You'll now begin to set up your Samsung Smart TV as the initial out-of-the-box mode. Highlight and select the menu language you would like to use and choose Next. If you are trying to turn Store Demo Mode off in your TV, the Use Mode screen is where you will do that. Select Home Use as the mode for your TV and choose Next. The next menu is the Network Settings menu. Here you can configure and connect your Samsung Smart TV to an internet network, either wired or wireless. To set up a network, choose Next and follow the instructions for wired or wireless network connection, or choose Skip to connect later. The next setup menu is the Auto Program menu for finding and programming channels through an antenna or cable connection. If your TV is connected to a cable box or set-top box, usually provided by a cable provider, select I use a set-top box and select Next. You'll be brought to the Clock Setup menu. If you do not use a cable box or set-top box, choose I use an antenna cable connection to the TV and select Next. Now choose whether your channels come over the air by antenna or by a cable connection, or you can choose both if you're unsure, and select Next. Now choose whether your cable is digital or analog. Most cable systems are digital, so if you're unsure, it is best to choose digital. Then select Next to begin scanning and programming channels. The TV will scan all channels to determine which have signal and program them into your TV. Once auto program is complete, select OK. Next, you can set the clock on your TV. This can be done manually, or if you programmed your channels digitally in the previous step, choose Auto to set the current time from the digital broadcast. To manually set your clock, choose Manual and select Next. Now select Date, and scrolling up or down to change the numbers, and left and right to move between month, date, and year, set the current date and press Enter when done. Now select Time, and scrolling up or down to change the numbers, and left and right to move between hour, minute, and AM and PM, set the current time. Press Enter when done. Now choose Next. The final setup menu is Voice and Gesture Control. Here you can choose to enable or disable voice and gesture control. Choose On or Off and select Next. Congratulations! Your Smart TV is set up and ready to go. Here you can see a list of which options you activated and are currently enabled. Select Close to begin using your TV.